Hello everyone! Merry Christmas! Yay! For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng Christmas gifts. You know what guys, ngayon lang ako nakatanggap ng gifts since I came here in Singapore. Previously, sa exchange gift lang tayo makakapag-receive ng gift. Anyway, I'm still thankful because, blessed pa naman ako. So, if I also have, extra, namimigay din ako ng gift. So, anyway, I'm so happy right now because, may na-receive ako ng gift na sobrang napasaya ako nung Christmas. Is like, the best gift I ever had. It was from my work. So, also blessed kasi may mga friends ako dito sa Singapore. They are giving me gifts also. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako mag-unboxing. Yay! Anyway, before I start, please follow my YouTube channel. Roan Laagan here. Ito pala. Here. Just like my page and then follow me in my Facebook page, Roan Laagan. Yay! So, ito na. Let's start. So, ano ang uunahin natin? Gusto ko i-open muna tong napanalunan ko sa raffle namin. So, let's try. Wow! Wow! It's kit. Is it a kit? Baunan ba to? Nakarap na. Oh, yeah. Pwede siya baunan. Pwede din siya gaya ng makeup ko. So, it's container. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. So nice. The next gift is ito. Yes. This gift is from Teen. Thank you, Teen, for this Christmas gift. So, open natin. Ano ba yun? Open na yung ribbon. Obviously, na-open na siya. Pero gusto ko din ipakita sa inyo. Anyway, ang ganda ng box. Yeah! Yay! So, basahin natin. Turuan. Glow inside and out with those little treats because a little self-care goes a long way. Love, Teen. Thank you, Teen. Box natin. Ito, Korean. So, may na tayo. Pang mask. So, may comb din. Suklay din tayo kasi hindi ako nagsusuklay, promise. Thank you, Teen, sa suklay. I got the Vaseline for my lips. Parang mag-moist. Then, I love it. The earrings. Yeah. And then, this one for the skin. For the hair. So that hindi mag-dry yung hair natin. And the others is like, hindi ko mabasa. Anyway, I will figure it out. Parang siyang patch. Tas ito. Cologne. Thank you, Teen. Thank you. Next gift to unbox. Yes. This one from Ate Sol. Dito housemate ko din. So, let's see what's inside. Wow, napaka-social naman ng bag. It's Braun Buffel. Okay, let's. Wow, that's nice. It's a card holder. Kasi dito guys, sa SG, I mean. Hindi kami masyadong nag-ano ng cash. We're using a card. Kung hindi yung ano. Anyway, thank you, Ate Sa. Okay. Next is this one from Erica. Thank you, Beth. Thank you for your gift. Alam mo naman kahit ano yung matatanggap ko, I really, really, really like it and appreciate it. So, alam mo naman, palagi akong, alam mo na, alam mo na yung natin, yung lakaran natin. So, dahil naman siguro stress ako kaya binigyan mo ako dito, check lang. Ito lang po. Chocolate Ferrero. Yan. To avoid stress. Baliktad na. Ferrero. Ito masarap, guys. And then, what else? This one. CLN. Wow. Ang social. This from Kuya Anil and family. Thank you, Kuya Anil, Ate Sandy, sa gift niyo. Okay? So, let's open. Wow. Napaka-social. Ito. Oh, it's a wallet. Yay! Pwede siya sa lagayan ng mga coins. So, sa card din. Card. Kasi dito talaga, usually we're using the card. Tap lang kami dito. Wala kaming masyadong cash. Pag meron naman mga maliit lang na cash yung binibit-bit namin. So, anyway, thank you. Thank you. And this one is from Ate Dorothy. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Ate Dorothy. So, let's open. Oh, what's inside? Oh, this one. Thank you, Ate Dorothy. Thank you po. So, yun guys. Yung I'm still blessed. I'm still blessed. Kasi, yun parang, hindi ko siya hinihingi, pero, God is very good. Yeah, God is very good. Ang wish ko lang sa Pasko is, happy life, good health sa family ko, tsaka sa akin, and then peaceful mind, and then I think that's all. Tapos yung wish ko sa 2025, Lord, ikaw nang bahala. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, yun lang guys. Bye. Merry Christmas. Oy, follow nyo yung page ko. Bye-bye. I mean YouTube at saka page ko, Roan Lagan. Yay! Bye! don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ano ba ito? Pabalik-balik. Anyway, next time, travel vlog na naman yung i-upload ko. Bye!